How to find square root of 2601 by long division method. First make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. Now work on this second pair from this side. So we have 26. Take here number whose square will be equal to 26 or nearest to 26. If you take here 5 square equal to 25, which is near to 26. If you take here 6, then 6 square 36, which is greater than 26. So 5 is correct. Same digit will come here. 5 times 5, 25. Subtract 1. Bring down the next pair. Okay, so same here you have placed the digit 5, so same digit will come here. Add 5 plus 5, 10. Now you have to place here a number and you need to multiply. Look, we have 101. If I take here 1, then this one will come here. 1 times 101. 1 times 101. If you multiply something by 1, the result will be something, that is 101, which is equal, right? So 1 is correct. So 1 times 101, 101. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. Since you have placed here the digit 1, so same digit will come under the divisor and you need to add. So 2. The double of 51 is 102. So our answer is correct. The square root of 2601 by long division method is 51.